So we first go to the emergency generator and press start. So when the emergency generator starts, proceed to electric power plant, open the voltage control. So while the engine is starting up, we first ready the emergency switchboard, open the circuits. Now when you hear the engine is now fully running, we in the breaker, then proceed again to the emergency switchboard and turn in all the switches. Then press in. Now we prepare the starter system. We drain the water, open the inlet valves. I'll open the hand pump for fast operation. Close the drain, set to local. Then proceed to diesel generator number 1. Set the preheater to auto and generator number 2 set to auto. Go back to diesel generator number 1 and open the fuel oil settling tanks, 2 boiler, fuel oil and diesel generators. Open the shut-off valve and 1 filter, same as the fuel oil, and fill up the lube oils from lube oil storage at least 40% to 70, level of 70, then close. Open the pump control to auto and click again, same process as the first one. So if you find this fast, kindly message me and I'll give you the copy of Cold Chip to pull ahead. Just message and comment in the comment section below. Then after that, we proceed to see water system. Open the valves, the suction, auxiliary, then proceed to freshwater system. Then proceed to the air ventilation system. I forgot to press in the starters, then go back. Forward. We ready for faster operation. Just to show you how to operate from Cold Chip to pull ahead. Acknowledge the alarm. Then set the emergency generator to auto. Then prepare the starter system, drain the water. Open the inlet, the valves, inlet for cooling, set remote to local, close the drain valve. So while waiting for your diesel generator to warm up, at least for 50, we must ready the other system. The surface air system, we must drain the water so to avoid damage the parts and components. Open the supply air valve, inlet, shut-off valve, set to local, close the drain. Then here at the freshwater hydrofoil system, we prepare this one. we are just preparing for the steering gear system. We need to we fill the expansion tank. Open the valves. Okay, now let's now start the diesel generator number 1 for faster operation. Then let's start the diesel generator number 2 as well. Now proceed to electric power plant on the voltage control of the 2 generators. Acknowledge the alarm. Then connect diesel generator number 1. Then proceed to feeders, press in. Then proceed to seawater system, open 1 pump. Manage the alarm. Set local to remote. Proceed to freshwater system, set local to remote. Then proceed to starter system, start the air compressors, set to remote. Proceed to panel directory, power shift pump controls, air compressor 1, seawater. Then acknowledge the alarm. Then proceed to service air compressor, press on, set to remote, and auto. So we proceed now to the air ventilation system. Open the fans. Then proceed to steering gear system. Open the safe-matic block. Set. Open the pumps. Set local to remote. Then set it to auto. Then proceed to the steam generation plant. Pipe boiler. We open the vent, close the steam line. Then for the boiler combustion, open the atomizing air shutoff valve and click the 3-way valve. Open the boiler air fan. Set the airflow to 100. Set the master control to 10. Oxygen control to 10. Oil flow to 10. Set diesel. Open diesel. Then start the purging. Now the purging is started, so we will wait till the air reaches to 0.1. Now the flow of the air is reducing. Then we set the airflow to auto, oil flow to auto, master, and oxygen. Then burner turn on, and burner 1 and 2. So the boiler is now firing. We proceed to steam generation plant. Open the circulation outlet valve and the inlet and start one circulation pumps. Open main feed water discharge valve. Set the manual to 0. Turn on the main feed water pump and set level control to auto. Now, while waiting for the temperature and pressure, we proceed to and prepare some systems. So the main engine lubrication system, so we first check the temperature first of the boiler, so we operate the purifier first. So when the temperature reaches to 50, the pressure will build up, is 0.1. Then close the vent, the boiler vent valve. Wait the pressure until it reaches 7. So we will open it for the steam line. Then proceed to steering gear, the stern tube system. So we fill up the lube oil sump tank, then the lube oil pump 2. So we fill up the low gravity tank first. After that, the high gravity tank. So we'll go back to the steam generation plant, monitor the pressure. So it's okay for the lube oil sump tank to reduce, because the pumps are getting oil for the low gravity tank. So proceed to the start air and check the pressure. Okay. So refrigeration plant, we open the seawater pumps, the bowl cooler, circulation pump, the fans, open the fans, and turn on the make-up. Start the temperature control. So first we manually adjust the temperature, start, and the condenser. I think we open the another pump. Then we go back to the steam generation plant. The pressure is now at 7, so proceed to the boiler oil-fired boiler. Open the steam line by 30%. Go for 60%. Jump to 100. Set the pump 1 to auto. Now we have steam, so proceed to freshwater system. Open the high temperature freshwater pumps number 1, set it to remote and auto. Now we auto the high temperature freshwater pumps. Then after that, we heat our settling tanks, open steam, and go to service tanks, open for the heavy fuel oil. We must ready these valves for changeover. So we open now the purifier of the heavy fuel oil. Temperature control to 98. So wait for the temperature, same as the separator number 2. The temperature is now high. Knowledge. So while waiting, we must open the water supply, fill up the operating water tank. So I forgot. So we proceed here to the freshwater hydrofor system. Set service air at least 1 bar of pressure. Then close now the then set pump control to auto. Activate, open the valve from the steam generation plant. Then activate the hot water recirculation pump. Okay, so we have high So we press the three-way valve and fill up the high gravity tank. Then go back, then fill up the operating water tank. Then proceed to HFO separator, then open again. Then check for electric power plant. Now we synchronize our two generators. So click diesel generator number 2, synchroscope. So we must increase the governor. We must raise. Okay, start our semi-automatic synchronizing. So when the indicator reaches 12 o'clock, it will now synchronize. Okay, so our two generators are now synchronized. So set the diesel generator number 1 to remote. Same for the diesel generator number 2. Proceed to switchboard, off the semi-automatic synchroscope off. Power chip generator control set to auto prior 1 and 2. Then they will share loads or equal load. Notice that the powers of the generator number 1 and 2 are the same. Okay, now the two generators are now synchronized. Proceed, we check the boiler. Okay. For the separator, start the electric motor. Same for the purifier 2. So open the set the flow control to 10. Suction. Same for the separator 2. So waiting for speed. So we will wait till the current reaches to 10. Then for the turning, for the main engine, set the auxiliary air blowers to auto. Then the lubrication oil system. So we must first activate the purifier lube oil. Set the pump, turn on the pump. we will wait for the temperature. Ready the valves, cooler, the bypass, the back flush filter, this one, fill up the cylinder lube oil. Go back to the fuel oil, start the ANCAP control and the separator too. Go to fuel oil service tanks, turn, drain the water. So we check if there is flow. Okay. Then the lube oil purifier system, set it to auto. Oh, the purifier. Okay. Start the purifier now. Set to auto. Okay, it is functioning well. Then proceed to the main engine maneuvering system. Okay, first we open the indicator cocks. 2, 3, 4, 5. Acknowledge the alarm. Don't worry, so the oil here will circulate and will go back here to the sump tank, so there is no need for refilling again. Then we open the air valves, then ME local, main engine local control. Engage the turning gear. Okay, may local control. The alarm is trip. Low oil pressure. So we'll make the oil flow to 30. Start. Set. So we'll conduct trial and error here. Fuel oil system. Okay, reset. Set it to auto. Flow of 10. So activate one of the supply pumps. But first, we open first the valves. The backlash or the bypass. Okay, bypass here. Okay. Fuel oil vehicles. And start. Set to remote. Set the pump control to auto. Then the lube oil pumps. Open the pump. Set local to remote. Temperature. Manage the alarm. Close the lube oil, the camshaft. Set to auto. Viscosity control. Pisco motor. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. Then start the turning gear. It must have 3 revolutions, I think. We activate the air conditioning plant. Open the water supply, the steam, and turn on the air conditioning. Activate the steam water, the heating for the feed water. Generator, just fill up this one so that the alarm will turn off. The bilge wells, so we set this one to automatic, but first open the bilge pump. Set it to auto. Blow, then close the net up. Manage the alarm. Okay, then proceed to reviewing system, then local control. Okay, 1 revolution. Check the fuel oil system, check the lube oil purifier, so okay, I'll show you how to wait, fuel oil settling time, service tax. Okay, I'll show you how to change over from boiler. So we set this one, open this one and the heavy fuel oil pump. So wait for the temperature until it reaches 99 or 98 before changing over. So we'll return. So filled up distilled water here from the expansion tank. So we can acknowledge the alarm. Okay. So stop the turning gear and disengage. Now we start air blowing for the main engine. Then we stop. Then close the indicator cock number 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So check again the fuel. Okay, we are now ready to start the main engine. So start the main engine now. Okay, I forgot. So before that, we main bridge transfer the responsibility here to engine. Wait lang. Engine control room standby. Governor to remote. Set it to dead slow. Knowledge. Start. So we must start our main engine now. Remote. Okay, I set this one to engine control on standby. Control room. I see. So this one, maneuvering, set to remote, proceed to main engine control, standby. Okay, so this one, knowledge, commanded slow, then we proceed to bridge control, to ME local control, dead slow, where to start. I think so the main engine is now running. Close the heaters and start cooling. With our freshwater generator. So vacuum control. The ejector pump. So we increase leverage this much. So we proceed here. Winches, close the ship moored. Then we'll command at sea. We transfer the responsibility to bridge. Command slow. Set the lever to 40. Slow ahead. Temperature slow, set it 2%. Okay. Bumper tanks. Filters. Lubrication. Then set the speed to half. Try 50. Then we increase again to 60 for half a head. We have high temperature. Okay, it's normal. Check the boiler combustion. We'll check the ship speed. Okay, we have 12.57 knots. Excuse me for my dog. So we must set it to full ahead. $70. set this one to full ahead. So there we have it. We have the full ahead of the main engine of the Kongsberg Engine Simulator. So check speed. We have 14.52 knots. Okay. Pull this up so it will reduce the alarm here. Okay guys, so that's it. So thank you for watching my video, and kindly like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. And this is for you guys, for aspiring marine engineering students and seafarers. So stay safe and God bless to all.